Proper function converts a text string to a proper case. This function converts the first letter in each word to uppercase and converts all other letters of that word to lowercase. This function has only one argument. In text argument, select the cell reference containing text or type the text string or enter formula that returns text. Click cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, click Text arrow button. Click Proper Function. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. In Text box, click this text string. Click OK. Proper function converts the text to proper case. Paste the formula in other cell. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge of this cell until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Function converts the rest text in other cells to proper case. First letter of each word in uppercase and other letters are in lowercase.